Check this. How do you fucking do this? Wait. Oh, I'm getting this on the quad. I don't got a camera, so this is all I got. Alright. So, Josh failed safe to do a bathroom and lost his quad. How he lost the quad in a bathroom, we're about to find out. He can't find it.
Did it explode into a million pieces, sir?
So what's nice is when he bought this quad from Rotor Riot, they have a 1-800 number in which they can help him track the drone, and that is what he's doing right now. He's on the phone with Rotor Riot.
No.
Alright, well he lost it in here somewhere.
That's not the thing, so we're good there.
Okay.
Well, the door was shut.
So wait, so this is a original.
We're gonna have to get the spark up. Alright, well, I'll be looking for it. Somewhere. Does he not know where he landed? Like the direction, angle? Is it on the roof? Do you see?
I went in through this corner right
Yeah, but from where to where?
From right here to right here.
No, vector me. Show me the direction you were traveling.
I was coming here, and I smacked this wall.
So we came through here to go there.
So probably way out here somewhere.
Oh, good. Hit the fountain. Now we're not going to have any fountains out here.
Hey, when you guys find it, don't pick it up. Huh? We checked it. You're 60 years old. You fucking break your back.
I don't know. I was just told I can't help you now.
No, we're checking though.
Anything?
No, fuck, they go down. Our eaves, they go down, they drop down. Give me your camera. Oh, you can't see.
Well, I can't see shit.
This did not happen.
You got a ladder?
I do, but
Go grab a ladder.
Here.
you saw it hit there.
That or the
Can you
fountain.
flip the turtle mode on so it can beep for us?
Go get
All right. Okay.
We're nerds, dude. We don't do this shit very often.
If it's up in there, I'm just going to die laughing. Oh, shit.
You lose your phone though. I'm not helping you.
Why? We're getting a ladder after this. No?
It's here somewhere.
It's up here.
How the fuck did you get it up there?
Bring a ladder!
Keep it on. Keep it on.
Doesn't matter. Well, once we get the ladder, you
I seen it bounce off.
go get the ladder!
Yeah.
It's up here!
So, looks like he bounced into the bathroom, clipped a wall, and ended up there.
I don't see any part of this, so it must have landed. Dropped down.
You know what? He didn't even have a GoPro. Which we all forgot him except you.
I'm filming it, don't worry. Alright, update 1. Josh had to get the camera. Or get the ladder. Oh yeah.
This is why I bring the work truck.
Watch it. Oh, no, sorry. Josh has to go up there and get it.
Yeah, this is a Josh thing. This is not a... We'll spot you.
Finding drone 101.
Is that where it is? No.
Is it in the next one over?
It's in that one. That was it.
Josh, how did your drone end up there?
You know the kind of skill that requires?
We need to see the damage because we're taking bets.
Nothing. There's like no damage.
The only damage is my camera came disconnected again. That's the story of my life.
So show us how you were vectoring in, because you weren't.
Whoa.
You weren't even aiming that way. You came in.
What's that?
How were you coming in?
I came in, I did a split S, a Matty flip, and then...
The rest is...
To, just, you know, smack the wall.
I did. That's got to break a record. Can you guys bring that back to the table when you go?
Good job.
This is the new walk of shame.